Ziaul Haq. Currently, I am Central President for UK Islamic Mission.
I am Dr. Rishi. I have been a GP over here for the last 15 years. I also chair Walsall CCG.
My name is Maulana Ibrahim Isakji, Imam of Al Farouk Masjid here in Walsall.
Muhammad Arif, I'm chair of Union of Muslim Organisations.
My name is Dr. Bashir Jan Mohammed. I work in Manor Hospital.
Today is a very happy occasion for UK Islamic Mission Aisha Mosque. Today there is a vaccination program going through in Aisha Mosque, and we are honored to have this vaccination session.
We're here at Aisha Mosque, Rutter Street, Walsall. Today, thanks to Walsall CCG, the mosque is now acting as a vaccination centre where people are being referred to it through the GP practices. Those that are over 70 are being vaccinated here. There are some Muslims who are being vaccinated, and there are different ethnic minorities, people who are being vaccinated, and there are different other people of other faith who are being vaccinated.
Alhamdulillah, here today I'm here at Masjid Aisha. Alhamdulillah, who have commenced the vaccination program here. Alhamdulillah, it is a great honor and a privilege to have been invited here to say a few words. Alhamdulillah, it's been organized by Masjid Aisha and also the NHS. So therefore, Alhamdulillah, as you all know, we are going through an epidemic where many lives have been lost. And as mentioned in the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, that for every illness, bimari, there is also a cure. There's also ilaj, there's also treatment. That alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the form of vaccination, in the form of these vaccines, alhamdulillah, Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala has provided us for this treatment and this ilaj.
It is very important that we take this vaccination. There's plenty of evidence in literature which shows that it is giving a very good protection against the COVID's complication. And there are a lot of conspiracy theories, but they are not backed up by scientific evidence. So I would urge everyone to please take this vaccine when the health authorities or the GPs or the hospital call you. Please go and get it.
But the important message for us as a Muslim community, for the BAME community, is that it's imperative that we get vaccination. It doesn't matter whether it's AstraZeneca or Pfizer. The important thing is get yourself vaccinated. They are, from an Islamic perspective, they are safe.
All we want is to reach out to you and tell you this vaccination is safe, it doesn't harm people, there is no transmitter in there, there is no microchip in this.
And that's why, alhamdulillah, Masjid Aisha has taken this great initiative, as well as many other masajids and community centers, in order to preserve life and save lives and to encourage others to take the vaccination. Alhamdulillah, the process of vaccination is taking place here at Masjid Aisha. I again recommend and strongly recommend everyone to come forth and take the vaccination, which will inshallah protect oneself and protect others as well.
Please come whenever your GP calls or contacts you to say it is now your turn. Please go and have this vaccination done. This is our only way to get out of this.
My appeal to you is to participate. Mosques are participating, places of worship are participating. Please go and get yourself vaccinated. It's safe and we all need it.
very good message for the community, and we are very, very thankful to NHS for choosing our center for vaccination, and people are really very happy about it, and they are really thankful to NHS for choosing our venue as their vaccination center. We'll be more than happy in the future as well to grant this facility to NHS.
Thank you for having us over here in the mosque today. It is something that we are trying to reach out to you in the community. All we can say is this vaccination is safe.
Dr. Hamad and his team, and particularly Masjid Aisha, they've done a wonderful job, in terms of organizing, even in the hub and the heart of the community. And Masjid Aisha should be particularly congratulated for that. And likewise, other masajids who are, mashallah, doing some sort of seminars and conferences to increase the awareness, the importance of taking this vaccine,